Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. So today we're going to making this yummy 4 ingredients breakfast, or you can have it as brunch or dinner. It's so yummy and it's so easy. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Thank you. So you'll be needing your sliced bread, your egg, your cheese, the sliced cheese, then your sausage. So we'll be dividing sausage into two and we're going to cook it, okay? Then we'll be cutting out the edges of the bread. You can keep yours if you want, but I wanted it to look nice at the edges. Then we'll be rolling this out, so we'll be able to wrap the cheese and the sausage in it. So because I want it to be fast, I want to go and add 2 breads at the same time, which didn't work out well because I have to end up separating them. You don't need to add any seasoning, no salt, nothing inside your egg. Just whisk it and leave it, okay? So you're going to take a tissue and tap on your sausages to remove all the excess water. You don't want any water getting into your bread. That will be very nasty. spot my tiny little helpers hand. They are just around me in this kitchen helping me to do this, and they're enjoying it. So you're going to take a little of that egg and put it on the edges for you to wrap the bread. Okay, don't worry if it doesn't stick together. By the time you put it on the frying pan, it's going to stick together. So you're going to dip your bread inside the egg, then put it directly on the pan. Please let it be a non-stick pan because I'm not going to be using oil for this. Okay. So you can eat this like this, or you can sprinkle your icing sugar. If you don't have icing sugar and you have like your normal sugar, just take that, get your dry blender and grind it to be fine. Then we already have icing sugar, no need to buy or waste your money. Okay, these bread rolls were so yummy. Like, no salt, no unnecessary ingredients, just your bread, your sausages, your cheese, and this powdered sugar, and you're good to go. If you don't want powdered sugar, you can drizzle your honey, your chocolate syrup, maple syrup, whatever you want to drizzle on it. Okay, it will still end up being yummy. Just look at how fast these kids are just carrying. Not only my kids, see my nanny's hands. Like, everybody enjoyed this. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Please like. Okay, please don't just watch. Please like this video, share to your family, your loved ones. Thank you for always watching my video, and see you in my next video. Bye.